It's going to get worse.
Suspending all travel.
It's worst percentage drop since
America, the anxious.
The whole world, I feel like, is like shutting down right now.
The unseen danger of coronavirus with visible impact.
I worry about the people in my life.
I look at my 401k and I about have a heart attack.
Threatening our physical and mental health.
Dr. Varma, what makes this crisis different from others?
So with other crises, we knew that there was a very clear endpoint, and the uncertainty is what's making this so scary.
Psychiatrist Sue Varma says it's a triggering event for those with pre-existing conditions like anxiety. For others, it fuels a loss of control.
There seems to be a palpable sense of panic. We see it in the panic buying in stores, as one example. Is this reasonable behavior?
What we're finding is that people feel that there is sort of this pervasive sense of danger and helplessness.
Even our traditional ways of coping and comforting are affected. Many religious services suspended, large gatherings and celebrations banned. It's now social distancing instead of the healing power of touch. Isolation that can lead to loneliness, especially in the most vulnerable. It's a big concern for City Meals in New York, serving homebound seniors.
You know, no hugs, handshakes, and kisses right now. It's all elbow work and greetings a little bit from afar.
To fend off despair, Dr. Varma recommends movement, exercise and deep breathing, mindfulness, being calm and aware of your emotions, and meaningful engagement, staying connected with FaceTime, calls, or even writing letters to loved ones.
We also need to realize that there's a role for healthy escapism. There's nothing wrong in taking 15 to 30 minutes out and watching your favorite show.
To stay healthy in uncertain times. Ann Thompson, NBC News, New York.
Dr. John Renee on Facebook asked, can I open windows and let some fresh air in, which a lot of people would like right now?
It's a great idea. There's no coronavirus risk with fresh air, but you do have to remember your allergies.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.